Hello students, welcome in economics classes. I am Dhamveer Singh. I am going to discuss you economics. Okay, this is day 20 of chapter 2 video. I am going to discuss what is saving. Okay, in this video you will understand the concept of saving. What do you mean by saving? Okay, today you will know about it. Okay, try to understand what do you mean by saving. Okay, I am going to discuss you. I think you are unable to see it. I think you can see very well. Okay, you can see the video properly. Try to understand the concept of saving. Okay, what do you mean by saving? Today you will understand about it. Okay, saving is what? Saving refers to that part of the income which is not spent on consumption, spent on consumption. It means what? Try to understand with the help of example I am giving you. Okay, suppose income is received, suppose you are earning 10,000 income you are earning. Okay, income is received as wages, salaries, rent, interest on profit, etc. Okay, so what will you do of this income? Household buy consumer goods they need with the income. It means what? You will purchase anything from the market. It means what? You will not spend entire income, okay, for purchasing anything. A part of the income may be saved. Okay, saving means you will keep some money for future. Okay, saving is the income that household receives but don't spend on purchasing goods, and services. Okay, saving done by household is known as personal saving. There are many saving. Personal saving, okay, there are many saving. Personal saving, saving done by households is known as personal saving. Okay, next business saving. Business saving, what is business saving? Saving by business is achieved by not distributing to shareholders all the profit made in year, that is called business saving. And next, government saving. Government saving is what? Government saving is the saving done by the central government. By whom? Central government or state government, local authorities and public authority, etc. How they saved? They saved by the proper budget. Okay, they saved. Individual saving. Individual saving. What is individual saving? Saving by individual. Individual means what? By families, by business firm is known as individual. It means saving done by individual income earner is known as individual saving. And what is private saving? Private. What is private saving? Private saving is what? Saving by individual, by families. Suppose any families is saving at something, and by business fund is known as private saving. Next, aggregate saving. Aggregate saving is what? Aggregate. What is aggregate saving? Aggregate saving is the total saving done by all the people. Total saving done by all the people. In this video, I have discussed what do you mean by saving. Next video, you will understand next topic. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Thanks for watching.